Palmbourne's Carpentry department is a place for young adults to learn, experience real-life situations and gain new skill sets for the industry. We welcome anyone with the drive and passion to work in the carpentry business.
Do you like studying at Palmbourne?
Yeah, it's a nice place. I mean, there's a lot of nice students, everybody's friendly. It's a good place, a good environment to be in.
Why do you like studying at Palmbourne?
It gives you a real interpretation of what the workplace is going to be like when you leave and study further on after this education.
Why do you like studying at Palmbourne?
Mainly because I'm over here doing something I want to do. It's a trade when it comes down to it, and I just want something to go on to the future for, really.
What is your favourite part about studying carpentry?
I like the satisfaction of when you finish a piece of work and you can look back at it and think I made a fantastic job.
Do you feel welcome and invited in this facility?
Yeah, I do. It's very welcoming, as you say. It's a friendly vibe and everyone's welcome.
Have you made friends on this course?
Yeah, definitely. Plenty of friends. I think everyone in there is friends. It's just everyone hangs out with different people.
Do you like the staff members?
Yeah, definitely. Paul, Peter's a great teacher. He interacts with the students a lot and he makes us feel happy and enjoyed here.
How well disciplined are your classes?
Very, yeah, very. As long as it's all sort of about respect, really. If you've got respect for Peter and that, and we're all sort of on task, then it's good.
Would you be able to tell us some of your experiences of like working here and like why you like stuff here?
Yeah, it's I don't know. It's kind of weird, really. I just really love it over here. It's just
Everybody seems to.
yeah. It's not normal, really. You just come over here and it's just like coming into work, basically. But at the same time, you know everyone here, and it's just a really good atmosphere. So you just like coming over. That's basically it. Sort of thing.